Dear friends, in this video I am going to tell you how can you fetch the data of your Google form in a spreadsheet and how can you apply various options on your spreadsheet to view your data from different angle, means how can you apply filter on the data of your spreadsheet. Now we start it. I am taking a Google form that has been filled by my students. You can see 30 responses are here. I'll click on the response section. Now I will click on the spreadsheet button to fetch the data of this Google form in the spreadsheet. Friends, I have deleted the name and the email ID from this for the privacy purpose. Now what I need to see, here are the answers opted by the students and this is the score. Now I want to analyze the score from the different view. The maximum score for this test was 8. And I want to see how many students secured 8 out of 8 marks. What I need to do, I will select all the headings. Now I will click on the filter button. You can see this is create a filter option. This is a toggle button. When you click on it, it will be highlighted and filter will be on. And when you again click on it, it will be faded and filter will be off. Now I want to analyze the score column. What I need to do, you can see this kind of filter option is available on each of the menu. I will click here. Now what I need to do, you can see there are two options, select all and clear. I will click on the clear button. Now I want to see those students who secured 8 out of 8 marks. What I need to do, I will go to the down. Here I find the 8 by 8 option. Friends, you can see here are the options like 2 by 8, 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 6 by 8, 7 by 8, 8 by 8. This option means that some of the students received 2 marks, some of them received 3, some of them 5, some of them received 6 marks, some of them received 7 marks and some of them received 8 marks. Now I want to see how many students received 8 out of 8 marks. Now what I need to do, I will click here and I will click on the OK button. Friends, now you can see these 4 students have received 8 out of 8 marks. If I want to make this data into a separate spreadsheet, then what I need to do, I will select the data by pressing the Ctrl A. I will select the data and what I need to do, I will just Ctrl C, copy it and I will click on the add sheet option and I will click Ctrl V. I will press Ctrl V and the data will be pasted on the another sheet. Now I can save this as students securing full marks. Now I move back to my original sheet. Dear friends, see when I click on the filter button again, it will be off and I will be able to see all the data. Suppose I want to analyze the students who received 2 marks or 3 marks. What I need to do, I can again click on the do. I will again select all the columns. I can select them by using shift plus right arrow. Now I will click on the filter option. I will come to the score column. I will click here. I will clear the selections and now I will select the 2 by 8 and 3 by 8. I will click on the OK button. Friends, now you can see there are 3 students who received 2 marks and 3 marks. And suppose I want to save the data into another sheet, I will follow the same process as I did before. So friends, you can analyze any of the column by using this and whenever you want to remove the filter, you will just click on it and will make it off and then you will be able to see all the data. Now one more thing we can see. Here is one question. The answer of this question is the binary search. Suppose I want to see how many students have written the wrong answer. What I need to do again, I will select all the columns or I can select the columns up to this column I will click on the filter option. I will click here. Again, I will clear the search. I will take the option linear search. Click on the OK. Now I can see that these many students have given the wrong answer for this question. I can analyze this for all the questions. So this is the way, by using filtering, we can analyze the Google Sheet spreadsheet from many point of view, and we can segregate the data as per our requirement.